Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. I am Meher and you're welcome to Meher's Fun Cuisine. आज क्या बनने वाला है? बहुत ही easy and simple vegetable. इसका नाम है तवा fry vegetables. So as you can see, I have so much colorful colors in my veggies, and there's no hard and fast rule what vegetables you want to use. कोई भी सब्जी ले सकते हैं, कोई भी सब्जी omit कर सकते हैं. You can, it's choice is all yours. So सबसे पहले ओकरा, भिंडी या लेडी फिंगर, whatever you call it, तो उसको हम slits कर लेंगे like this. Like that. Okra slits हो गए. So just for your information, this okra is about a pound of okra. 1 pound है. तो ओकरा, भिंडी, क्या बोलते हैं, जो भी बोलते हैं. जैसे हमने पहले भी I told you before that there's no measurement कि कितनी सब्जी पड़े. So you can mix different colors as well. अच्छा, this is yellow bell pepper. I'll put a little bit of that to add color to my भिंडी, तवा फ्राई भिंडी. You can put बैगन और क्या कहते हैं और उसको eggplant. Some part of the world it's also called brinjal. I'm taking only half of these bell peppers. I have a family of 4. तो ज़्यादा बन जाएगा तो it's going next day. People like to eat it, but after that 2 days कोई नहीं खाना चाहता है. And it's so easy when I have a party in my home. I just try to double this and put more green bell pepper and whatever vegetable, and I can make this big tray. और कुछ भी आपको करना नहीं, बस just put it in the oven after mixing the spices. Okay, let me put this aside. Cut them in long strips. Try to remove the seeds. इसको ऐसे पतला पतला काट लें. One small onion, red onion leaf because it adds color. थोड़ा chunky. What's cooking? 3 cloves of garlic. लहसुन चला गया. Okay. Little bit of ginger. Ginger हमेशा always अगर आप fresh डाल रहे हो तो it's such a good freshness. Like nothing smells like ginger. तो आज हमारा मूड है कि इसमें आलू भी डालें. तो आलू गलने में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इन वेजिटेबल्स से ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. तो I'll cut and boil it only for 6 minutes. सॉसपैन में हम पानी बॉईल कर रहे हैं. इसमें टुकड़ा टुकड़ा आलू. Only 6 minutes. I'm going to strain them. And हमारा आलू थोड़ा अच्छा था या बुरा था, I don't know, but वो 5 मिनट से पहले ही थोड़ा सा it doesn't have to be like well cooked, but yes. Take out all the excess water. इसमें mix कीजिए. Let's mix all the vegetables. और एक one more thing, ये भिंडी या ओकरा या लेडी फिंगर, when you're cooking, do wash it a day before and leave it aside so it dries, because when it's wet it leaves a lot of stickiness and मज़ा नहीं आता है. तो इसमें about 3 to 4 tablespoon हम fresh lime juice. This is tawa fry masala. This is store bought, but if you want I can give you the recipe of this. अभी हम स्टोर बॉट यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इसमें देखते हैं कितना लगता है. 3 to 4 spoons तो लग जाएंगे. See, it's so simple and easy. If you have people coming and इसको इसके साथ ना चलाना होगा ना कुछ. एक बार oven में डालिए, leave it there till it. Sometimes when I have more people coming over, I cut all these vegetables and put it in the Ziploc bag and do this process the next day and just put it in the oven. Four tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes on its own, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. I am putting like half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure tawa fry masala, it has salt in it. इसमें पहले से salt होता है. और ये, did I tell you, you can get it from any Indian store. Tawa fry masala. It's so good, it's incredible. किसी भी vegetable में डाल दो, it is so good. It has been 10 to 15 minutes already. So just for my new beginners who are starting to cook, I would like to tell you my proportion. So it's 1 pound of okra, bhindi, ladyfinger, half red bell pepper, half green bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, a small onion, 3 chopped garlic, half an inch of ginger, salt half teaspoon, and 3 to 4 teaspoon of tawa fry masala. Potatoes I have taken 2 and boiled it for like 5 minutes till it's little not tender and not well done, but just boil it for about 5 minutes and I think it should be fine. And now I will put it in this tray, throw it in the oven, forget about it for at least 15 minutes. I'll open the oven and check it. It takes approximately 35 to 40 minutes on 400. So let's put some, where's my brush? Oil. I love to hear from young girls when they say about my recipe. It's so easy to follow and they really do want to cook, and when they want to know the exact proportion. So that's what, and we experienced people, we don't need aunties and mamas. When you put it on the table for serving, people will think, oh my God, what a cook you are, which you might be as well. Like I told you before, add any other color. If you want to put more red bell pepper to look it fancy, you can do that. 2 tablespoons oil I'll drizzle on the top. That's done. 400 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. In between, after 15 minutes, I'll come and stir it up. Like just move the vegetables here and there. Just a second. I think it's been more than 15 minutes and I got busy with something else. It's almost 20 minutes and I'm going to take out my tawa fry. Let me close it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. So इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दीजिए. Wow. I'm trying to put most of the potatoes on the top, so for the crunchiness. Such a festive vegetable. For big parties, it's really super easy. Like I told you a day before to cut the vegetables and you're busy with other stuff, just put it in the oven. Check it after 15 to 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes in the oven. It's been 20 minutes the first time I took out. Total would be 40 minutes. And I'm opening my oven. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The okra looks so crunchy. The vegetable, I'll show you. Wow. Potatoes. Wow, look at that. Spice, lemon juice, and the tawa fry masala itself. If you want me to put the tawa fry masala recipe, I'll put that as well. But it's really simple to get the tawa fry masala from the store. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, and try and comment. Please try to make this and comment in the comment section. Did you see, have you ever seen such a simple recipe with a 5-star restaurant smell?